And main speakers. There we go. Sorry, everyone. For some reason, my mic. I'm sorry. I was talking the whole time without speaking. So I'll repeat myself again. There is a track actually. It says, "Wow." It says a hail probability 10%, max hail size 0.1 of an inch, and max decibels of 49 decibels. And the vertically integrated liquid is 3 and the meso is 4. So it looks like we might have some hail with that. My R key, for some reason my R key isn't working. Yeah, there might actually be some hail with that. I wouldn't be surprised if there's some hail with that. I just went over to reflectivity and it looks like there could be some hail with this. It's so intense. So what I was trying to say is, let's go back to the winter weather radar. So there is what I was saying is there was heavy snow in Wright City and like the Marthasville, Dutso, Augusta, New Millie areas, but now that's moved off to the east. So, and currently there is a winter weather advisory. What? Mixed precipitation, total snow, including sleet, accumulations up to 2 and 3 inches, and ice accumulations of a light glaze. Where portions of south central and southwest Illinois and central and east central Missouri. When until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Impacts plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday morning and evening commutes. And to the just to the north of that winter weather advisory, there's a winter storm warning. What? Heavy snows, total snow accumulations between 2 and 5 inches, where portions of west central Illinois and central and east and northeast Missouri. When until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Impacts plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday morning and evening commutes. And there's still heavy, actually now there's heavy I'm going to say there's heavy mixed precipitation pretty much almost into St. Louis County. So I'd say like by Byronez Mill line. Yeah. Sorry. And then, but other than that, there's House Springs, Shady Valley, Scottsdale, Local, Cedar Hill Lakes, Hillsboro, DeSoto, Olympian Village, Festus, Arnold. All those towns are in the path of this mixed precipitation. Excuse me. Sorry about that, making full screen. And there is a mesoscale discussion out with, it says mesoscale discussion number 0085, winter mixed precipitation, issued 6:16 a.m. Central Standard Time, Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. Click on it. And now it says mesoscale discussion number 005, National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center, Norman, Oklahoma, 6:16 a.m. Central Standard Time, Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. Areas affected: southern and central Missouri, south central Illinois. Concerning winter mixed precipitation, valid until 6:16 a.m. from 6:16 a.m. February 12th to 12:15 p.m. February 12th. Summary: a mix of freezing rain, sleet, and snow will be likely this morning across parts of southwest Missouri, east and northeastward into south central Illinois. Precipitation rates could exceed 0.05 of an inch per hour. So, crazy stuff going on across the St. Louis area. So, again, I'm sorry. I apologize about the that I wasn't having my microphone on. I didn't see that. So close that window down. All right. So let me actually add something real quickly to my Stream Deck for the stream. Just give me like 2 minutes to add something. Don't time me, but I mean you can, but let's just see. Scene. Okay. That's gonna be easier for me. So then, that's gonna be easy. So now I'll copy it to away, and then you know what? I meant to do home. Why did I do away? So home, away, starting soon. All right. Now one more to do, and then I'll be on my way. Alrighty. So just had to add that because in case we need. So like now, I'm going to take like a short minute or two break to get some warmer clothes on, and we can go outside and see what the conditions are. So I'll put the on break scene because I added an on break scene, which is awesome. So I will put the on break scene on, which there's no blizzard warning. What I meant to do, like, there we go. Now that's correct. There we go. I will be right back. I'll play the music. Just give me like 1 minute. I apologize. That I know that was longer than a minute, but now we have. So there's actually 2 areas now to watch. There's now only one area. There were 2 areas, but now there's 1 area to watch for hail. Well, not hail, but yeah, no hail. No hail anymore. I said there would, and I showed that there would be hail, but now there's not going to be 1/100th of an inch of hail. So I need to get up the camera, and then we can, and then I need to actually go take another 30-second break to do something. All right. I know I keep taking breaks. I'm sorry. I apologize again, but some things like that just happen. All right, I am back again. Now we will go and see what the conditions are outside and what you could expect for your location. I'm gonna mute this the microphone on the computer here, and then unmute the one on the phone real quickly. All right, let's go. Well, so far, just like maybe a light coating of snow, and it is still snowing pretty heavily. Looks like so far it's just it's not probably going to cover like it did on January 5th, but it definitely could cover a good amount of your area. So, and definitely I would be cautious while driving. I'll definitely be cautious while driving. And I don't know how much we've gotten yet because we don't have our measuring tool out. Goodness sakes. And yeah, pretty decent snow. We haven't definitely roads need to be plowed and driveways need to be plowed, obviously. And snow is still occurring. As you could probably see, maybe you can't see it, maybe you can. I don't know. I cannot see it on the camera, so probably you
You probably cannot. I can see it. Snow is still occurring. And it actually is heavy, close to heavy snow. So I would not be surprised if it continues, if it is continuing to be heavy snow. So now in the port, and there is blowing snow. So you're gonna have to probably clear off your porches a little bit, kind of like you did with the January 5th storm. But now this is kind of a more appropriate time for me to be going live, because I kind of wanted to go live around this time for January 5th, but I was working on the API, on the weather API there that you can see. I know it says winter weather advisory, but on the Winter Storm Home, I know you can see definitely snowing. Trees are getting covered, and it is 10:32 a.m. Central Standard Time right now, and definitely a light coating. I wouldn't be surprised if we got at least, I know it says 2 to 3 inches on the winter weather advisory, but I wouldn't be surprised if we got maybe 1 or 2 inches more. I'd say maybe the yard, I wouldn't be surprised if the whole yard, all your whole yards are covered. If you don't see, I wouldn't be surprised if you can't see any grass. Basically, I would expect to not see any grass for a couple days, probably till Saturday or Sunday. Saturday, February 15th to Sunday, February 16th, 2025. That's what I'm talking about. So let's go back in and check on the radar. And if it doesn't look like it's changed much, then I'll end stream. So definitely visibility is starting to get a little low. So again, be cautious while driving. Sorry, everyone, there. I was taking off my shoes and I didn't want it to kind of echo when I was doing that, since I'm pretty close to the speakers. So let's change to that. And then right now, there's actually heavy snow in places like St. Charles, Creve Coeur, Des Peres, Crystal Lake Park, Frontenac, Westwood, Ladue, Clayton, Eveleth, places in Missouri. And just northwest of Jamestown, you are also could be getting it in places like Black Walnut or Orchard Farm, Muskix Ferry, Mary's Crouch. Sorry if I'm pronouncing the and then Newtown and Botchertown. And that's all. And this also is being driven by. Excuse me. Sorry, I didn't mute.
All right, there's that heavy precipitation heading into Arnold, Kimswick, Herculaneum, Pevely, and Festus, Olympian Village, DeSoto, and Hillsborough towns in Missouri, and Velmeyer, Waterloo, and Columbia towns in Illinois. In St. Louis, you should be getting heavy freezing or mixed precipitation, and close to mixed precipitation down, or like just west of New Melly. So that's the new thing. Not new thing, but new radar scan since we last looked. All right. I would not be surprised if also we get a cold weather advisory, because we're supposed to be really cold. So I don't know if, more than likely I'm not going to make a video about the cold, but we will see. I don't really make many videos about just one particular thing. I mainly make it when it's like, could be put like more than one hazard. Like, and I know this is obviously could change, but if we look here, there's a 30%. There's I know this is for the Dixie Valley and the Southern Plains up into the Mississippi Valley and the Ohio Valley. But I would not be surprised if at least like Franklin, Jefferson, if like most of the St. Louis Metro was in like a marginal or a general thunder risk for thunderstorms. So if we are under a slight risk or greater, I will make a video, but more than likely I will not make a video. So that's just a brief little explanation for the severe weather. But now we're focusing on the winter weather. So it's crazy stuff, and haven't gotten a radar scan in the last couple moments. So now I will start to end stream. So I will pull up something that shows excuse me, or I'm not going to pull it up for you guys because, yeah. But I'll just tell you what it says. So, like, if we go. Says so far we've gotten like about a dusting to almost an inch of snowfall. And then the seasonal snowfall, let's see what that says. Let's see here. 14. So far, St. Louis area's gotten in between 12 to 15 inches of snowfall this season. So there could at least be maybe one small winter storm before the severe weather season, but I personally believe definitely the next. I thought this would be significant, and this was actually like a last minute live stream. I did not think I would live stream it, but I saw heavy snow and heavy mixed precipitation, and I was like, yep, live stream. But now the heavy snowfall is dissipated a little bit for like St. Charles. You're getting out of the heavy snow, and like places like Maryland Heights, Breckenridge Hills, Overland, Vinita Park, Creve Coeur, Olivet, Westwood, Ladue, Clayton, all these places right here are in the path for heavy snow. but the heavy snow has dissipated. So was showing a little bit. I believe it's showing more than more than heavy snow. Wait,